Today a great miracle happened.
Yes, but
Not only did Mohan forgive me today, but he also bowed in front of Lord Krishna.
We have come far ahead in the matter of Radha's wedding. If you refuse to marry Radha at this stage, who will marry her?
where are you going, Mohan?
Mom, Radha needs me.
After what Radha did today, do you still believe that she needs anyone's help?
One by one. Have to take revenge from everyone. I will not leave anyone.
Why is the weather so bad? What does Hriday want to talk to me about?
What?
Yes, Mom. Your honest and virtuous son was taking advantage of the situation. He touched Radha inappropriately. Ask him.
Actually, Hriday told me that he wanted to marry me. And then he hugged me. He hugged me because he was happy, but I didn't know how to react, and unknowingly I raised my hand to him.
He just hugged you. Did he do anything else? Look, Radha, don't be afraid. There is nothing to be afraid of. Did Hriday do anything else to you, Radha?
What nonsense are you talking about, Damini? What would Radha do? Did you expect her to let him take advantage before doing something?
Wow, Mohan, wow. This is amazing. You think you're pretty forward and modern. But today, when my son Hriday tried to hug this girl who is his wife to be, you felt it's wrong?
Yes, his way of doing it was wrong. He touched her inappropriately. Or else, why did Radha slap him? Tell me.
That is exactly what I want to know. Why are you conservative when it comes to us? While climbing the stairs in the temple, you carried her in your arms, but Radha didn't raise her hand on you. When you both were enjoying yourselves in the mud, Radha didn't raise her hand on you. When your photos were published in the newspaper and the world was laughing at you, Radha didn't raise her hand on you. But when her husband-to-be gave her a hug, she raised her hand. Why? Look at the state Hriday is in. You have beaten him to a pulp. That's enough. Now we won't stay here anymore. Come on, Hriday. Let's go home.
Mother, Radha said yes for this marriage.
To hell with Radha and this wedding too. I don't care whether she agrees to this wedding or not. This man won't let her marriage happen. This man was accused of murdering his own wife. What if he loses his cool and tries to kill my only son then? No. You please leave this girl. I will find 100 girls like her for you.
She started overacting again.
Let's go from here. Come on.
Please wait. Wait a minute. Please wait, Mrs. Lata. Please forgive us. Look, Mohan had a small misunderstanding. That's it.
A small misunderstanding? Look at him. See the state he is in. What would have happened if he had a big misunderstanding?
What are you saying, Mrs. Lata? Look, I am apologizing to you on Mohan's behalf. Look, please put an end to this matter right here. Please.
Is she talking about ending the talk or the relation?
Radha, please tell me the truth. Do you want to marry Hriday or not? Don't be afraid, just tell me.
And this priest Rameshwar is acting as though he cannot hear the temple bells. He has become money-minded. Rameshwar is a priest who has been bought off by money. He has forgotten the values of a priest. He is enduring everything silently. And madam, the reason you are here is because you were blinded by greed. Instead of dedicating your life to the Lord, you are chasing after riches.
I understood it. For the sake of our beliefs and our family's reputation, I will get Radha married at the earliest.
Dear Hriday,
Yes, aunt, tell me.
whatever happened today, in spite of what happened, do you still want to get married to Radha?
Aunt, I was ready since the beginning to get married with Radha. Since I've seen her.
That's it. It is final then. When the boy and girl have decided to get married, then I don't think we should delay the wedding. We will get Radha and Hriday engaged tomorrow. Then henna ceremony. And the wedding will be on the next day. And after the wedding, we will bid Radha farewell from this house.
Grandma, he's a bad boy. Don't get Radha married to Hriday.
Ajit,
Yes, mother.
take Gungun to her room right now.
Let's go, dear. Let's go.
Go.
Come, dear.
No, I don't want to go.
Gungun, let's go.
Radha!
Aunt, Mrs. Lata, if you don't mind, can we start performing the rituals from tomorrow?
Whether I mind or not. Your son surely does. He won't let this wedding happen.
Don't worry about that, Mrs. Lata. Mohan is my responsibility.
You haven't done anything till now. How could I believe you? How do I trust you again?
Mohan, I want you to swear on my life. You won't cause any problems during Radha's wedding.
But Mom,
You won't be a part of her wedding ritual. Are you happy now, Mrs. Lata?
Mom, this boy isn't good, Mom. Why did you make me swear?
Mohan,
No,
enough.
Damini,
Enough, Mohan. Come on, Mohan. Please, let's go from here. What was that, Mohan?
what do you mean by that? Didn't you hear what Mom said to me? She can't see that Hriday is pretending. She made me promise her.
If you think Hriday put on an act when he hugged Radha, I wish you and I would also put on such an act. Normal couples who are about to get married behave like this. Maybe we are not a normal couple. You are going to marry me, Mohan. But you think about Radha. I am sad, but you care about Radha's happiness. I'm in pain, but you tend to Radha's wounds. Moreover, since Hriday came here, you have been trying to find flaws in him always. It was about him going to prison and then the cigarette. And today you crossed your limits. Why did you raise your hand on him without thinking? All these things prove that you don't want Radha to get married.
It's not like that.
Then what is it, Mohan? We are going to get married. But it seems I'm the only one involved in this wedding. Instead of staying with me, you are always with Radha. Mohan, I admit that I am open-minded, but that doesn't mean that these things don't matter to me at all. If not for me, at least fulfill the promise you made to Mother. Please, Mohan, let this wedding take place. Mohan, just look around. I have been waiting for you for 12 years. Please don't make me wait any longer.
Why are you saying that? I am with you, Damini.
No, Mohan. You are not with me. You are not.
I don't know what's wrong with her.
This had to happen, Mohan. Which girl would be happy to see her future husband with some other girl? By the way, today Radha showed everyone that she can take care of herself. That's why it is time for you to move on.
Mom, what's the use of moving on when you are pushing Radha into a life of darkness? Hriday is not a right person for Radha, Mom.
Why? Mohan, if Radha's life will be filled with darkness, then it will be only because of your stubbornness and misunderstanding. Do you get it? Look, Mohan, whatever happened until now will not happen again. Now you will have to choose between your mother and your stubbornness.
Even God won't be able to stop this wedding now.
Damini, why are you pestering God for this work? I am more than enough. Come what may, Damini. But I won't let Radha get married to Hriday. Radha belongs only to Mohan.
I don't have much time, Mohan. But before I go, I want to complete the task that I came here to do.
You came here for the sake of my happiness. How? How could I not see all this?
You are not to blame, Mohan. You have faced a lot of sorrows in life. How would you think about me?
I don't know how to thank you. For all the things you have done for Gungun and me, thank you, Radha.
Radha is going to get engaged and you are sitting here comfortably. Will Radha get really engaged and we won't be able to do anything? You are a cheat. Our partnership is over. I knew that you would do this. You just don't care whether I'm sad or not.
How could you say that? It matters a lot to me. But... Okay, you tell me something, Gungun. Had your mom asked you to swear on her, would you have not listened to her?
But I don't have a mom. I only have Radha. I won't let her go. Whether you help me or not. It might not matter to you, but I won't let Radha get married.
If Radha leaves, then I might lose my daughter.
Nothing of that sort will happen. If Mr. Trivedi can't do anything because he's bound by a promise, then Mrs. Trivedi will. Neither will I let your daughter go away from you, nor your happiness, Mohan.
Grandma,
Yes,
Hriday is a bad boy. Please don't get Radha married to him.
Gungun, come here, sit next to me, dear. Hriday is not a bad boy. He's a good boy. He will keep our Radha very happy.
But Radha is happy here as well. Why does she have to get married?
Dear, everyone has to get married. Do you know? A couple gets engaged first. During the engagement, the boy and the girl exchange their rings with each other. And then they both promise to spend the rest of their lives together. Then they get married.
You mean if you exchange rings, you promise to spend your life with each other?
Absolutely. Do you know why the boy and the girl wear their engagement rings on this finger? Because the nerves from this finger connect straight to our hearts, which means right here. So when you put a ring on this finger, it means your hearts are connected to each other. And then no one can break that marriage.
I have to do something to make sure that Hriday and Radha aren't able to exchange rings. Their relationship won't go forward. Good idea.
Good idea, Gungun. I'm also with you in this. Now we will make sure that they both don't get engaged.
You were the one who agreed to get married, right? Why are you crying now?
I am crying because on such an important occasion, I won't be able to see my God, Mohan. It's my engagement today. I'm taking the first step towards my new life. But you know, my Lord won't be with me.
Is that all, Radha? I'm gonna solve it.
What do you mean?
Didn't you dissolve our partnership? Then why are you back?
Our partnership is still dissolved. Radha is crying to see her Lord. I mean, she's waiting for Mohan Trivedi.
Radha is crying.
If you really care about her a bit, then go and meet her. Go.
Yeah, why not? I promised Mom.
You promised Grandma that you won't attend the wedding functions. But you can go to her room.
Yeah.
Go on.
What do you mean? Aren't you coming with me?
No, I'm a little busy right now.
Little busy? Can you tell me in what?
I have some important work. You go.
Okay, I am going.
Oh Lord Krishna, what kind of happiness is this where my Lord Mohan won't be a part of it? Without him, everything feels incomplete. Who is knocking on the window instead of the door? Mohan?
Yeah.
You came through the window?
Yeah.
What are you doing here? You will fall.
I didn't
Give me
fly
your hat.
here. How will I fall? What are you looking at? Okay.
But what are you doing here, Mohan?
I came here to clean the windows. See, didn't I clean them nicely?
Yes.
Nice?
No, Mohan. Move aside. I'll do it.
Radha, you don't have any brains. I came here to meet you.
You could have used the door. Why did you come through this window like a thief?
Oh my!
Hey, Mohan.
Had I come through the door, I would have been caught, right?
What about the promise you made to Aunt?
I promised her that I wouldn't attend the function, but I can enter your room. My daughter Gungun is quite smart. I will make her a lawyer. She's good at finding loopholes.
Hey,
oh my! Give me your hand or else I will fall. And if I fall, they will have to hold a function for me instead of you.
Hey, no. Oh, Lord Krishna. What are you saying? Come up. Did you get hurt?
How could I get
Not
hurt?
Mohan.
It's just... Did you decide to cancel the engagement?
Mohan.
Then why aren't you dressed? Everyone is making preparations downstairs. The guest will arrive soon. You should get ready.
What's the use of getting ready?
What do you mean by what's the use? Hey, if you don't get ready and don't put on makeup, you will look like a monkey in your wedding album.
Mohan.
You can never look like a monkey. And you are a bride. The most beautiful bride in the world. Yeah.
Really?
Obviously. Look, Radha, now this is a new beginning of your life. And do you want to start this new life with a smile or tears? Tell me. Now put on some makeup and get ready.
Actually, Mohan,
Yeah.
I don't have any accessories or makeup.
Oh, is it? Nothing. So what's the problem? Damini is here. Damini has lot of stuff. She can apply makeup to everyone in Vrindavan.
But
I will go and bring it. Hmm? If I could leave through the door, why would I have used the window? What do we do? Accessories. Give me your hand. Get up. I think Lord Krishna might agree to marry you too.
She will marry whom she worships. It's you, Mohan.
Come on, where are you taking me, little princess?
Radha wants to talk to you before the engagement.
Now you actually want me to meet with Radha. But you don't like me.
Yes, I don't like you. I hate you. But I love Radha. She told me that she wanted to meet you. And I agreed to it. I never say no to her. Let's go.
But where?
Come on. Come.
Gungun, where are you taking me? Radha is here. Why would she call me to meet here?
You think she'll meet you in front of everyone? Don't you watch TV? The bride and the groom don't see each other before the wedding. What is it called? It's a bad omen.
But we are not getting married today. It's our engagement.
But you are getting into a relationship.
Did Radha call me here to cancel the marriage or what? If Radha cancels the marriage, then Davini is not going to leave me in any ways. Gungun, are you sure that Radha wants to meet me? That's why she called me here.
Oh, why do you ask so many questions?
No, I was just asking generally that why here?
Radha? Hriday doesn't want to meet you. Happy? Don't complain later that I didn't help both of you.
Come on, no Radha, I am just coming to meet you.
Yes, go on.
Are you sure, right?
Yes, go on.
I won't spare your life today, brat.
Is there anything left?
I don't think so.
This means. What's this? Is this your engagement ring or an ordinary one?
This is my mom's ring, Mohan.
Really?
Yes.
If this is your mom's ring, so you must wear it during the engagement.
It
right?
should, but it doesn't fit me properly.
Is it loose? I will tighten it right away.
How?
There is a solution to everything. There is a saying, might is right. Give me your hand. Oh, it is quite loose. I will tighten it right away.
Radha?
Oh Lord Krishna, what is this? Mohan, you put the ring on my ring finger.
Open the door, Radha. It's time for the engagement. The engagement is done. Radha and Mohan are engaged.
Why isn't the ring coming out?
Radha, open the door.
Mohan.
The ring is tight.
Mohan.
Yeah?
Do you know why I wanted to meet you?
Yes, I know. You worship me as if I am a god. So you must be seeking my blessings.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
But there is something else. Wait a minute.
Open the door.
I have made it myself, Mohan. I hope you'll start playing it once again and give yourself another chance to be happy.
Open the door. It's time for the engagement.
And maybe this is my last gift to you. I hope you won't break it, Mohan. Mohan.
Open the door, dear.
This.
Radha.
I will move.
Open the door. What are you doing? Open the door. Come on, Radha. Open the door. Were you in the washroom? You look so beautiful. May no one cast an evil eye. Come with me. It's time for the engagement.
Are you totally done with your drama? Do you think I'm total fool and stupid? No one can save your Radha now because she is under my orders now. Open the door!
Had you been quiet, you wouldn't have got hurt. I'm sorry. Bye.
Gungun! I'm not gonna spare this little girl anymore. She has challenged me now. I have to get rid of her. Gungun!
Mohan will definitely break his limbs someday for Radha. He never did this at a young age. Look at him now. He's doing all these stunts.
Exactly, Shekhar. Mohan was in love with me too. But he never came to meet me through windows like this. He did this too for Radha.
Did you meet Radha?
No. Yeah. Actually, the thing is, Gungun told me Radha wanted to meet me, right?
Don't even talk about me. We are not partners anymore. Stay away.
What's wrong with? And why are you laughing like this? And why are you all decked up?
I'm invited to the engagement. I'm standing here only because of you.
Oh, so you're teasing me. Now you will go straight up because of me. Come on.
Hey, Dulari, fix these properly. You know, the entire house should be decked up. Tell me if you can't do it, I'll do it. If I don't do it, who else will do it?
I'm doing it, sir. I'll decorate the house properly. After all, your beloved... I mean that our beloved Radha is getting engaged.
Hey, fix the lights properly. Get a chandelier too. There won't be any dance without the chandelier.
Aunt, please take it. These are some gifts for Hriday and Mrs. Lata.
What was the need to do all this?
It was needed, Mr. Rameshwar. Radha is no less than Damini or Ketki for us.
Did you see Ketki? Our loving and generous mom. Now she has adopted one more child. Her ways are never going to change. It seems we are the least important to her.
Whatever it is, Radha shouldn't get married. Whatever makes Damini and Aunt Kaveri happy is a loss for us, Rahul.
So much of happiness. I did not have on my engagement also. As quick as possible, let that two-footed witch get married, then we will get rid.
Everything is going according to the plan. She should be engaged as soon as possible.
Open the door, is anybody there? Gungun! Open the door!
I have been waiting for this for so long. Finally, the day is here.
Hey, my daughter is saying the right thing, yeah? It's actually the time to be happy. We were trying so hard. Finally, we have got the result. Right?
Why are you all so happy to let Radha go?
Gungun, where were you? We decided you would be with me in every ritual, right?
I had an important work. I mean, I needed to finish that.
I can't see Hriday anywhere.
Someone please open the door! Gungun, open it!
Yes, where is Hriday?
Rahul, please go and check.
Sure, let me check. He is such an idiot person, isn't he? He was so eager to get married with Radha. Where is he now?
Or has he forgotten the auspicious time?
Oh no, he was ready already.
Did he run away out of fear?
How will Gungun know that, Damini sister?
Radha, your best friend can do anything for you. Don't play any mischief. Tell me, Gungun, where is Hriday?
I'm here, Miss Damini.
She's already wearing a ring on her finger. Who gave you this?
Has Damini lost her mind? It must be very painful.
Damini, be gentle.
Why isn't the ring coming out?
I wish I get to know the truth. But who will reveal the truth?
Oh, my daughter, if she has decided not to let Radha marry, then she will not let it happen.
Nobody should find that paper, no matter what.